Hey guys, welcome back to another video by uGenesys, and in today's video I will be showing you how I use my uGenesys volume indicator to make even more profits in the Forex market. Now, many of you know that all of the indicators that we create at uGenesys are specifically designed for beginners. They're very easy to understand and they're very navigatable, so you won't be doing anything that you're confused about. Everything is straightforward. So I'm just going to add my indicator to the chart. uGenesys volume. Yeah, very simple. Okay, there we go. So this is our uGenesys volume indicator, and this was created using 18 different volume oscillators. All right, so we worked on this for a few months and we found the perfect combination to enable you to identify when the most volume is in the Forex market. And I'm going to show you how accurate this volume indicator is. All right, now, like I said, this volume indicator, it shows you when most volume is present in the Forex market. And this is usually when the hedge funds are trading, the big banks are trading, all those private entities and corporations are trading. That is normally when you get the most volume, the most volatility, and the trends. All right, this is when you get the trends in the market. That's very important because everybody loves to catch a good trend. Okay, now I'm going to identify some specific points on this indicator that I want you to pay attention to. The first thing that I want you to notice is that we have the red bars on the histogram, and these represent bearish volume. So this represents a sell trend. The green, of course, it represents a buy trend or an uptrend. Okay, now on the uGenesys volume indicator, we have two very important lines. We have the bright orange line at the top and we have the gold line at the bottom. Now here's the secret strategy. If these bars are above this golden line, then you have sufficient volume in the market and it's okay to trade. But if the histogram is below our golden line, then the market is basically consolidating and you do not want to be trading during this time. So let me show you a perfect example of the consolidation in the market. All right, so as you can see right here in this section, I'm not sure what date this is. This is January 26th to January 31st. All right, so from this time, we can see that the histogram has been below our golden line. And if we look up, we can see the market was consolidating a lot. Okay, a lot of consolidation right here. However, when the market started to move, when the histogram started to move above our golden line, that is when you started to see the trends start. Okay, and you can see that this trend was so strong that it approached our orange line. All right, so these are the things that you guys should pay attention to when using this indicator. All right, so let me just get like a marker so that you guys can see exactly. All right, boom. So you can see that our sell trend basically started right here or a little bit before, and this fell. I think this is like almost 220 pips. This is GJ, guys. As you know, GJ moves a lot. And this is the 4-hour time frame, just to point that out. All right, so this was when our sell trend started and it ended. I think it ended somewhere. Hold on, let me see if I can delete that and move it. I think it ended right here. All right, so from here to all the way here, it's about 200 pips thereabout, or maybe a little bit less. But this is when our uptrend started. Okay, so let me see if I can find some more examples. But guys, as you can see, it's very accurate and it is able to show you exactly when there's volume in the market. All right, let me see if we can mark this one up as well. All right, a bit too much. Let's see. All right, close enough. Very good. So this is where our sell trend started. Okay, and as you can see, our red histogram is above our golden line. And remember, this shows you that there's enough volume in the market so that you can start trading. All right, and this trade went all the way down here. Okay, and then a buy trade started. So yeah, guys, it's a very good indicator, very good volume indicator for beginners. My recommendation is you can use this on the 4-hour time frame and the 1-hour time frame, and you can also use the daily time frame if you choose. But for me, my personal preference is the 4-hour because I get a lot of great trends during this time. Let's look at this last example before I end this video. All right, let's see if I can get it right here. All right, perfect. So this was when this trend started on, I think this is May 31st, 2022. And this had a massive uptrend. Massive uptrend. This gave us about, I don't know, this is almost 300 pips. Okay, this is almost 300 pips. All right, and then you can see where our next sell trend began, and it gave us another 200 to 300 pips. So guys, it's impossible for you to fail when you're using this indicator, but please remember, you only trade when the histogram is above our golden line. All right, so in these areas, you're ignoring it. These areas, you're ignoring it because this is basically consolidation, and you don't trade the market when there is consolidation. All right, guys, so I'm going to put the link to this indicator in the description of this video, and if you have any questions about it, you can reach out to me at any time. All right, so see you guys in the next video. Take care.